Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can add your own highlights on Twitch. So to reach the highlighter, you need to first navigate to your dashboard, which is going to be this one, Creator Dashboard. Once you're over here, click on the hamburger icon. Now, I'm not really sure where the icon is. It could be because we have never streamed. Yeah, that is probably it. Yeah, we never streamed, so it's not really gonna show up for us. Unfortunate. Anyways, after you click on the hamburger icon, you just want to select any videos that you want, and that's it. Any videos that you highlight will have a highlight button on the right hand side, and alternatively you can also click on the 3 vertical dots and access the highlight command from there. So yeah, since we never streamed on this channel or setup, we don't really get to see that hamburger icon, but maybe once we actually pop a stream over here, we might actually be able to see that icon. But till then, no highlights for us. But I hope you I'm just gonna repeat it one by one. Once again, go to your dashboard, click on the hamburger icon, click content, then video producer. From there, you can select any videos, you can highlight any videos, and the highlight button is gonna be there on the right hand side, and or you could press on the 3 dots and access the highlight command from there. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.